Hello everybody, Steven here from Gonna Geek Gear and Better Podcasting, back with another unboxing. As you can see, it's a bit of a wide unboxing. You can see the edge of the bench and the edge of the 3D printer, things you normally don't see in the unboxing, because I am looking at the Elgato Wave Arm LP. I'm really excited for this. I was so bummed when I saw it for sale and saw that it was sold out. And then it came back in stock, so I had to order it. As you can see, as I push the boundaries of my camera angle, it has information here on this side. On the back, you have information about it being Elgato, a division of Corsair. And then on this side, you have a bunch of upside down writing. How dare they? Oh, wait, the box is upside down. You've got information about what's included in the box, including the dimensions, which I'll just kind of put right there. So if you'd like to pause it and look at it, you can. But let's go ahead and get into this as I try to flip it back without hitting everything, because I'm in such close quarters this time. All right, so we've got a piece of tape here. Well, tape seal, whatever you want to call it. Have a seal here. And not the seals that you find in the water, of course. Or the Singer either. You have instructions. So right here, the Wave Arm LP talks about the max information again. And you have the desk clamp information also. Do not over tighten. Then you have adjustment and cable management. And warning, all of things that I will, again, just hold here as still as I can so it gives you long enough to pause it. And then on the back, I don't know. I'm not going to hold it on this. There's probably a PDF somewhere. Now I've dropped that, but that's okay. We're done with that. Then we've got the bracket. Oh, wow. I got to say, I wish I had a scale here. This feels pretty beefy. I am very impressed with this. This feels quite heavy. Oh, I so wish I had a scale, but I don't. So as I twist this, I'll try to do my best at explaining. The threading feels really good. It doesn't feel like it's grinding. It feels fairly smooth. So that's awesome. I think that they've put a bit of quality in there. On the top here, it's hard to see with the lighting, but there is a bit of a sort of soft pad. It's not felt. It's not plastic. It's not rubber. I don't think. Maybe it is leaning more towards rubber, but it's something that I think might help protect the desk a bit. And the same is on the top here. It looks like you've actually got model information at the bottom. I'm not sure if they sell this piece individually with, of course, the Elgato branding. And unfortunately for Elgato, I guess it depends on your setup. But the thing is, this microphone arm is meant to come out from sort of beneath your monitors, I should say. And that means that if you're like facing a wall, no one's ever going to see it. So that's just a waste of advertisement. So yeah, anyways, maybe you have a desk elsewise. Then, as I try to find more room here, we have the actual arm itself. So if you have a look here, I can try to get you a bit of a measurement. This is going to be about 30 millimeters there wide on this top part, but looks like we're looking more at around 35 millimeters below. And then you have your standard thread as well. And lastly, you have, I think this is probably a thread adapter, because I think that looked like maybe a tripod. Yeah, so that's what that is, because that there is going to be, again, tight quarters here. That, I believe, is sort of your tripod mount. And then you have your adapters here as well as an Allen key so that you can adapt this to the microphone thread that you need. So that goes on there. And then I believe it looks like if you need the thicker thread, I think it's the same thing as well. That goes on there. And then you have the thicker mic thread at the end there. So I'm really excited to see how this all works in my studio. We will find out when I get it set up. Thanks for checking out this unboxing. If you like content like this, please do check out other stuff on the channel. Thanks for watching. I know I did the thanks for watching thing already, but I wanted to throw this in here. I was about to pack it up. You might have even been able to see it in the unboxing, but if you look, I think it's worth pointing out, there seems to be some form of defect here. I don't know if it's just a scratch or it's just a poor cast or whatever, but it's sort of hard to see. I'll kind of try to twist it around. There's a little bit of a mark. So if, say, I think you're probably okay, but depending on your studio lighting, if, say, you had a camera angle on that side, I don't know if they're all like this or it's just this one, that might get picked up in the light. The other side seems to be largely okay, but yeah, on this side here, you can kind of see that. But maybe you saw that when I was doing the unboxing, but I wanted to highlight it right now just because I think it's worth mentioning, as this is a new product and people are likely choosing this style of arm for visual purposes, just because that's kind of the purpose of this. I think it's worth pointing out. All right, so there we go. Now, officially, hopefully for real, thanks for watching.